Jesus, Black Long, what are you doing?
Will I help you?
Would you help a fella out? I can help a fella out.
You out.
I can help you out. I can help you out. Oh no.
Come on, make my jump, bro.
Alright, I'll try your jump again. You're like the thing from... What's the movie again? It's like... The movie with the parents or whatever, the family, and it's like robots and whatnot. It's like, ring my doorbell. It's like, no, ring my doorbell.
Hey, ring my doorbell. No. Ring my doorbell. Ring it. Look at this doorbell. Ring it. Yes. That was accidental. That's an accidental ring. It doesn't count. It's in the rule book.
You know what I'm talking about?
No.
You don't know
What are
that.
you talking about?
I can't remember what that movie was called, but it's like the blonde kid.
Ring my doorbell. Ring my doorbell.
I can't remember what it was called, bro.
Come on.
Alright.
Come on. Just make the jump.
Yes! No!